going on, guys? I'm back with another video. If you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm trying to get better at this and you know, having some fun with my bike and with the truck. I know I need to make more videos of the truck. I've been doing a lot of videos with the bike, but I mean, I just got my bike, so I'm trying to have fun with it, trying to do a lot of things with it, So today I got this little mod for my bike, and it's actually from Wish. So if y'all are thinking about it, doing to your bike, and y'all don't want to go in the high price, you can just go to Wish and you get these pretty cool lights. So I got these lights right here, pretty cool. They're from Wish. They're not really expensive. I think I paid about 20 bucks. This is how they look in the dark. They're pretty bright. They're pretty cool. They got different settings. Let me see. I got the little remote right here. Get white. See, it's not really white because I mean it's not the high price, but it'll do. It's a pretty cool color. Got blue, green, red, yellow, I think, green, another green, light blue, purple or violet. This is like okay, so now, all right, I think that's orange. That's another green. Well, you know what? I'm just tripping because I'm in the dark, can't really see the remote. But they got these other little light settings right here. This one's actually red, blue, and green in the RGB, and then that's like red, blue, and green mixed. The extra colors they have. And this is like slow version, and there's a fast version. This one actually goes to the music or to the beat. Look, see if I hit the C, I have my little thing right here, so it goes to the beat. So if somebody's bumping music, you can hear it. I got the lights back on. So alright, so here's a little remote. I was kind of tripping because it was pretty dark, I couldn't see. So they got red, green, blue, white, orange, yellow, cayenne, or just, I don't know what color that is, violet. And they got all these little other, like, the little fade thingies, little different settings like that. And different colors. You can turn it off. Let's see, turn it off and turn it back on. On the settings, if you want to go faster or slower, so look, I'm making them go slower. They're going fast. This one's going super fast. There's pretty cool things. Just so y'all know, these lights they weren't actually meant for a motorcycle. It's actually for a car, like under the seats or under the dashboard, But I was like, you know what? Let me try it. Put it in my bike, and it comes with four little different little strips. So you got one right here. You can see it. This right there. See, you got it right there. And what I like that it has this little black strip right here, so you can't see from the sides. It just shoots straight down. I got another one right here, and they're stuck with pretty sure like 3M tape, and I haven't had any problems. I got another one right there, and then the tank, and it was pretty easy to install. It took me, let's say, if I did it quick, I could have done it like in 20 minutes, but it took my time. When I was installing these lights, I was like, nah, I don't want to connect it to my battery. It could give it some problems. You never know. So I was like, what can I do? And I decided to get this power bank. It's right here. It's like 20 bucks. And I think it's like 10,000. I forgot what you call it, but you know, of power. Right now, in the meantime, I'll put it right here. It sticks pretty snug. It doesn't come out. And I got the little wire coming out, and it, you know, it connects right here. I have it wrapped since it's like real long. So how I have it, you can see this wire goes in here and gets into this plastic, and I zip tied it. I know I should have got black zip tie, but I was just being lazy. And it runs under the seat, into the seat, and then this one sticks right here, and I put it in between this so it can, you know, hide from the back, and it sticks, and then the wire goes into the seat again. And same goes on the other side. Let me take out the seat real quick so y'all can see how I, you know, wired up inside. All right, guys, I'll be back.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm back. I got the seat off. So what I did, you can see, we got the light. This is what I did. Let me give you more light. It's pretty dark. So what I did, I got these wires. That wire runs right in here into the middle. So does the other side right here. There. And it goes right here into the middle. That whole bundle. And then the same for that one, and the same for the other side. And I just bundled it up. I zip tied it all together, and that's the little main box right there. If you can see it, it says music. That's what makes the lights go to the beat. And let me see what I did. Let me see. I can't really see. Oh, here's a little sensor. There's a little sensor that gets to the remote, and then on the little box, the little wire, the little USB. Well, that's why I got it as a USB. So I just connect it to the power bank, and it just goes out to the seat, and the seat just fits on like that. Pretty easy to install. I mean, you just gotta know, where to put your wires. I've rode it several times, and it hasn't unstuck. Sticks pretty good, especially right here where all this heat's at. It stays good. Eventually, I'll probably get like a saddlebag and put that power bank in there, because I don't really know where to put it at. I tried putting it under the seat, but it fits too tight, and I want to be able to disconnect it real quick when I need to charge it. Alright guys, so there goes my little light install from Wish. It's pretty cheap. The power bank, I got it from Amazon, so it's not all Wish, but the lights are. And I mean, if y'all are looking for something like that, don't worry, I got y'all. I'll put the link in the description. I'll put the link down below in my descriptions so y'all can find them, and you want to try it yourselves. Also, I'll put the power bank if y'all looking for a good power bank. Probably like 20 bucks, and the lights were, I think, 30, but y'all be able to see. Alright guys, so if you haven't already done so, please like and subscribe to my videos. It sure would help a lot. Alright guys, peace.